Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the paper collections that I will be using for the 2024 National Scrapbook Day event. All right, so we're making moving parts page folios. All right, they are roughly 12 by 12 double page layouts that have moving parts. So here is what would look like a basic 12 by 12 layout, but moving parts does this. All right, it has moving parts, lots and lots and lots of moving parts. This opens up to reveal more goodies, all sorts of fun things here. And then this side, we've got fun interaction here. This has a pocket. This one opens up to reveal gorgeous photos. So what this project does is allow you to display your photos in what would be a traditional 12 by 12 layout. However, eliminating the plastic sleeves and the giant books. All right, you get it in this single double page layout. And by the way, there's more. Look at this. You can even put an 8 by 10 if you want to here. All right. By the way, this paper collection is Remember the Magic, and you can get it on my site. And then here's some more photos, just room for a ton of photos. So if you're giving a gift, or you are like me, a person who doesn't take a lot of photos, but you still love to create scrapbooks, this is a great alternative. All right, to the large scrapbook, the plastic sleeves, all that good stuff. So you get more than just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photos on the layout, right? You get so much more. So we're making 5 different styles for National Scrapbook Day. On National Scrapbook Day, we're only making 1 style. The remaining 4 styles will be in the project folder, all right? So I want to show you the collections that I'm going to use. The very first one is already in the project folder. When you're watching this video, it's there. If you're watching after May 4th, which is National Scrapbook Day, they will all be in there, all 5 of them. So 2 digital collections. So Happiness Personified. Look at how gorgeous. Look at that. It is a gorgeous collection. This one is digital. You have to print it yourself. It comes with embellishments, pocket cards, everything you need to work on the folio. All right, the moving parts page folio, specifically moving parts, because I have all sorts of folios on my website. The second collection, so this one's going to be a Mother's Day version. This one will be a baby version. This is baby girl. I have this collection in baby boy as well. Same collection, just blue. This is, and you can see some of the blue in there. So this is Thank Heaven for Little Girls and Thank Heaven for Little Boys. So I'm actually in the middle of a project with this collection, and just look how cute these embellishments. Of course, there's pocket cards, all sorts of goodies in the collection. So if you're looking for a baby girl or baby boy collection, this one is dynamite. So this one has, look, for all 12 months, just right here alone in this little handout right here. And then some photo mats. So you'll see the finished project in the folio. All right. So that's that one. So that's 2 collections. I have a total of 5. Look at this cute little passy. The other 3 collections are collections that you can pick up in your favorite place to shop. So let me share those. All right. So let me move this over. The first one is, and this one can be a Mother's Day one as well. Mother's Day is approaching so quickly. So this one is a 49 in Market Krafty Garden. I think it's called Krafty Garden. Yeah, Krafty Garden. 49 in Market. I have the whole collection here, guys. It doesn't mean I'm going to use everything. All right, but if you can get just a few things, I would get the collection pack and the ephemera pieces, if you can only get the 2 things. All right, but I got the rub-ons, everything. I got everything in the collection, and I picked this up at a cherry on top. I just did filled out the application for an affiliate program with a cherry on top in scrapbook.com. So whenever those are available in my description box, I would love for you guys to use them. I would gain a very small percentage of the sale because I recommended it. So I'm looking forward to that as well. If it's not in the description box below, it's because I don't have the affiliate link just yet. But okay, so 49 in Market, Crafty Garden. And then I have, this could be another Mother's Day collection or Teenage Girl. I love this collection. This is Simple Stories. What is this called? Simple Stories. What are you? Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. Gorgeous, gorgeous paper collection. I have the collection, the solids, and all of their goodies that come with the collection. Just because I can't help myself. Doesn't mean I'm going to use everything, but I get everything. Okay? Then a birthday one. Birthday boy. So Faith has a little friend. His name is Henry. He just recently had his 7th birthday. So this one will be a gift for Henry. This one's going to be fun because I will have photos in this one. All right? So I got 2 of the paper collections, a lot of the ephemera packs, and this one's called Make-A-Wish Birthday Boy. I suppose there's a Make-A-Wish Birthday Girl. Okay? And, oh, this is part of this collection. I got a couple of extra sheets. Yeah, this is all part of that collection. And I also found another birthday boy collection. I mean, this could be boy or girl, but it all depends on the color scheme. This one is a birthday wish. I got the pocket cards for 2 of those. This one and this one. So from Birthday Wish, also Echo Park. And I think that was it. All right. Also, you're going to need, if you're going to use P3 tape, get rolls of P3 tape. You can get this in my shop. I'm using the 3/8 inch Maker Basics double-sided tape. And I'm using my black cardstock and my Maker Basics chipboard. All of the links will be down below for those items. So the black 80-pound cardstock, and I'm using the Maker Basics chipboard. It's a 70-point weight chipboard. If you can shop on my website, of course, I would love it. I'm also using magnets from my website. I will link you to all of that in the description box below. But you have a really nice mix of digital collections and things you can buy at your favorite place to shop online. I wish I could have made kits for you all, but I have so many kits that I have to make. I cannot pile on any more kits for myself. I just can't do it. I'll never get these out to you in any decent amount of time. So everything in my shop will be on sale that I'm using in terms of digital collections. The tapes in my shop, they're at an everyday sale price. So pick that up if you need some tape or chipboard and cardstock. Everyday sale price, guys. That's the lowest price you will find every single day. So that's it. If you'd like to pick up the tutorial for National Scrapbook Day, it will also be linked down below. And don't forget that I'm collaborating with Kathryn of Kathryn Scraps. I will link you to her set of moving parts folios if you'd like to make those as well. Remember, the very first one is already in the project folder with the cutting guide and everything, so you can make your very first one. For the first one, I'm using Happiness Personified, so stay tuned for the final review of that particular folio. I will be releasing a folio every other day up until National Scrapbook Day here on YouTube once they're completed and in the project folder. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time, happy crafting!